This is Flawless Biker, and I'm going to be doing a bike check on my 2012 Kink Curb. Okay, starting with the front, we have Kink, Uptown bars. Don't know the riser with or anything. Um, Garbage, Kink, 20 mission grips, I guess. Have the stock 20 Kink Curb 2012 brake lever with the whatever that is called. Stock mission stem, little rusted, but whatever. Kink Volte forks. I'm sorry, it's wet out. I was just riding. Mongoose stocked rim, stock tire. Kink Curb 2012 metal pedals. Mission transit cranks. Stock Kink 2012 chain wheel with the stock KMC chain. Stock mission seat. With the back, we have a stock mission rim with the stock tire, Walmart tire. Yeah, mission seat clamp. Sorry, mission clip clamp. So this is my bike check on my Kink Curb 2012. I'm gonna be buying new parts probably next week, so I have another bike check. Coming with edits, how tos, and things like that. I'm just starting to get into BMX, so really don't know any tricks. So yeah, see you later.